Yeah, seeing that in the spring.
Bro, what is that? What is that? Dude.
Almost double stepped. It's a small one. Established in 1971, Moose Lake State Park sits on almost 2,000 beautiful acres, a half a mile east of I-35 near Moose Lake. Echo Lake is almost entirely in the park, while the wildlife pond that we visit today is. Echo Lake is a medium-sized shallow lake containing high-quality walleye, pike, as well as perch. Moose Lake State Park is a great place to hike, camp, run, or fish. Follow us as we track bear and beaver on the Rolling Hills Trail and Wildlife Pond Trail. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends, as it really helps the reach of the channel. Have a great day. These are chickadees. 100 feet into the trail, that's so weird. Do you guys see any other branches like that? These are our little pines. Those are some spruce right there. I'll show you guys the difference between pine and spruce, because it's hard to explain. So this is a spruce. That's a spruce. And this is a beautiful type of pine. I don't know what type of pine that is, but my God, it's gorgeous. Look how big it is.
Bro, what is that? What is that? Dude.
Almost double stepped. It's a small one, but I'm pretty sure it's bear. Right next to this deer, he's probably chasing him down. Looks like this deer is running. Shit. I hope that bear's not still out here. Smells like bear out here. Those are pines, and these are spruce. A lot of spruce, and then more pines, and then more spruce. It's all buckthorn. Yeah, seeing that in the spring, I don't know. For the rest of the trip, you will notice major storm damage, making the trip difficult without carrying the dog at certain points. Grand Portage is more cleared off than this. So our deer track. So there's definitely some beavers out here. Look at that. Look at all these. This little looks like when a beaver gets hungry. They're probably actually trying to build their thing with these, because it doesn't look like they're eating them. Got some beavers back here. They got a shelter back here, not quite sure what for. I'd be mad if I didn't go in it though. There's some wasps and stuff in here. I wouldn't want to sleep in there. Nice bird right there, just laid down. I want you guys to look at this pine stand that I'm in. So many cool trees all around. It's beautiful. In Minnesota, we call these a Wisconsin lake. What a big dog. May 6th and we got snow. There's more. Snow never melts in Minnesota. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends as it really helps the reach of the channel. Have a great day.